The oil passages for the high-pressure lubrication system are drilled with the aid of inclined spindles. This is an operation requiring a very delicate touch. The drills being long and fragile, great care is needed lest they should break in the hole. Finally, the crank pins are finished ground. Most gears have their origin in steel forgings, and here you see an assorted collection of blanks. The first operations on these are invariably done on a semi-automatic turret lathe in which the tools are automatically brought into position. Here a bore is being drilled while tools on cross saddles turn the front and side faces. In the case of gears which have extra long bearings, such as in the case of this lay shaft, they are drilled on a machine equipped with a rotating jig. Drilling, however, does not ensure a parallel hole, and in order to correct this, broaching is resorted to. This type of machining is accomplished by using a tool which has annular cutting teeth smaller than the desired diameter at one end, increasing with a gradual taper up to the maximum size. This is pulled through after the hole has been drilled. After turning the body, the teeth have to be cut and ordinary spur gears are produced like this. The cutter moves up and down while the gear blank rotates round it. Spiral gears are cut on a hobbing machine where the cutter rotates and travels along according to the pitch. To assist you in gear changing, the ends of the teeth are rounded. The gears are now passed through a hardening process and the remaining operations completed by grinding. This particular one is mounted in a jig which locates the gear on the teeth, and a grinding wheel traverses the face, being automatically followed by a smaller wheel which sizes up the bore. Gears with long center bearings are mounted on a machine like this, and the hole ground from both ends simultaneously. Now, in order to ensure a perfectly smooth face to the teeth, gears are mounted between 3 cast iron wheels of a similar pitch, loaded with an abrasive paste and passed backwards and forwards, while periodically their direction of rotation is reversed. This is known as lapping. Yet another example of forging is that very vital part of an engine, the connecting rod. These rough forgings are clamped firmly in a milling jig, and 8 faces, 4 on each, are machined at once.